All right, today I'm going to put on my new exhaust from aFe Power. It's a rock crusher catback exhaust. It is stainless steel, and it's for 2425 Ford Rangers, and with a 2.3 liter. So let me take it out of the box and I'll show you what you get. All right, I opened the box and this is how it came. Looks like I got some stickers, instructions, a couple of clamps. Put that over there. And it's looks like it's finely tuned into that box. So I'll take it all out and we'll see what we got here. All right, that's everything. It's got the muffler, the tailpipe because it's just a downturn, the hardware, and a license plate frame. So that's all you get, which should be enough. So I'll read the instructions, even though you're not supposed to. Just kidding. And then we'll go from there. Interesting design. I didn't realize, but look at that. It's got some kind of bypass. I don't know if that's straight through or what, but it's very interesting. Very interesting. And it looks like I can see light through the muffler, so it must just be baffled in there. Nothing, not glass packs or anything. It's I'm looking forward to hear what it sounds like.